The 72nd Miss Universe National Costume Competition is an exciting event that showcases the rich cultural heritage and diversity of the participating countries. With contestants from around the world, each representing their nation. The national costume segment is a celebration of traditional attire, unique customs, and the artistic creations that embody the essence of their respective cultures. The national costume segment has always been a focal point of the Miss Universe pageant, providing a platform for contestants to share the vibrant and distinctive aspects of their countries with a global audience. It allows them to showcase their patriotism and pride, not only for their homeland but also for the cultural heritage they represent. During this eagerly awaited event, the contestants take the stage in the most dazzling and elaborate costumes, often inspired by historical figures, traditional garments, mythical creatures, or iconic symbols from their countries. These costumes are meticulously designed and crafted to reflect the beauty, history, and uniqueness of each nation. Designers, artisans, and stylists work tirelessly to ensure that the national costume accurately represents the essence of the contestants' culture, while incorporating modern elements and artistic creativity. These costumes often feature intricate embroidery, traditional textiles, vibrant colors, and ornate accessories, making them visually stunning and captivating. The 72nd Miss Universe National Costume Competition, much like its predecessors, promises to highlight the contestants' commitment to their cultural heritage. The event will also provide a platform to shed light on the diverse traditions and customs that make each nation distinctive. Over the years, the national costume segment of the Miss Universe competition has drawn both admiration and controversy. While some costumes have been hailed as exquisite works of art, others have faced criticism for their extravagant designs or cultural misinterpretation. However, regardless of differing opinions, this segment remains a cherished part of the pageant, showcasing the essence of each contestant's identity and the nation they represent. The 72nd Miss Universe National Costume Competition is anticipated to be a truly remarkable spectacle, filled with breathtaking designs, cultural significance, and a celebration of diversity. It will undoubtedly provide a platform for the participants to honor their countries and leave an indelible mark on the global stage.